Hello, hello. Maybe a little bit of context, otherwise it's just going to be weird. Um, this is just quotes from a film that I watched the other day. I didn't realise this was going to happen, but let's see. Alright, so. Inch by motherfucking inch. When the word is given, we will seize the cinema. The big snatch. Get off me, ugly. Welcome to film hell. 30 seconds. I call them the sprocket holes. Hi, I play G in lots of porno films. Cinema. I've had a boner for you for years. We've taken a vow of celibacy for celluloid. No one gets laid until we finish our movie. We're horny, but a film comes first. I hope you dig it here. Sorry, I have to give you a new look. Sorry, but the devil tells me you have to have more colour. Lots of kids dream of making a movie, but the only ones willing to die for it succeed. In the House of Pain, there are 10,000 shrines. Please take off your clothes. Do you want some ecstasy? No. Somebody's got to pay for this insult. Tell me about Mel Gibson's balls. I've never taken this in much amount of acid. We are the ultimate bad review. It's a Satan thing. Our parents are the devil of the cinema. I'm a prophet against profit. Let's make a motherfucking movie. Avenging angels of underground cinema. We're here and we're making movies. Suffer for celluloid. I was only following studio orders. I will have you fired. Straight to video, that's what you are. Action fans, help us. Suicide for Satan. Make good movies or die.